Hi, I'm Michael, and we're
Andre,
going to open some
journey together.
Pokemon packs. Nasaktuhan namin na mayroong restock sa Toys R Us. And we got ourselves 4 packs
Pretty expensive.
for 1,156.
Pretty
And
expensive.
ang tanong ay, bubuksan ba o tatago panghabang buhay? So, syempre, bubuksan natin. Kaya nga may video kasi bubuksan natin. So, yan na. Tatanggalin natin. Alright. Yan. Nasaktuhan natin pagpunta natin na may restock. Yan. May 4 tayong cards.
Are we gonna
Packs
fight?
pala.
Pack battles.
So, yan. Magkakaiba ng tawag dito, ng pack artworks. Teka lang, saan nga ba yung
What is the one do
Journey
you want to
Together
get?
natin?
What is the card do you want to get
Surging
here?
Spark. Journey Together. Yan. Kaya pakita muna natin ang ating Journey Together binder, Pokemon binder. Tingnan natin kung ano na ba ang ating mga nakuha.
Have we got hits again?
I think so. Meron tayo. So, tingnan natin. Kaya titingnan natin.
I think
So,
I hope so.
Yeah. Sumabit.
That's a lot of packs, so it's impossible we got no like regular EX. Those are 6. Plus 4.
Teka lang. Hawakan mo nga.
I already see a hollow Butterfree. There's already a hollow.
Tingnan natin. Ayos na yan. Yan. So, yan.
There's only hollows here. Reverse hollows. Reverse hollows.
Wala pa yata
Reverse hollow.
tayong...
Many reverse hollow.
Wala tayong ano. Wala tayong hit.
Hollow. Let's
Wala
check.
tayong hit.
Keep going. Maybe it's just hiding.
Ay. Isang hit.
Oh!
We got
That's one of
hit.
the best one. That's one of the best cards, right?
And wala, mga ano na to. Anyway,
Those
isang
are
hit lang.
But
So,
it's one of the best
Yeah.
cards.
Kaya nga, ano natin, yes, dadagdagan natin siya. So,
So pack battles, right? Who's gonna
tanggalin
pick?
nga natin pagkain yung
Who's gonna pick first? You or me?
Ako na. Maganda sa akin. Okay. O, ikaw mauna. Pack battle!
If I win, I will win this pack battle.
If you win, I still win. If I win, you still win. So, wala talagang natalo. Kung
Yes.
mananalo tayo. Now, ano nga ba sa Journey Together? Nakalimutan ko. Masyado akong
I
sa Destined
accidentally
Rival.
broke it.
Sige, it's okay.
I opened it like another YouTuber.
Sila kasi marami nabibilihan Tayo kasi bihira lang. Ang hirap maghanap ng Pokemon packs. Lalo na ngayon, daming ano Okay. First pack ni Andre.
Here's the hollow.
Code.
So we got Messerani,
Huh?
Paldean Wooper,
Milcery. Milcerani.
Paldean Wooper, Black Belts, Trainings is Taekwondo or Karate,
Taekwondo yata yan. Ito karate yan.
Whale, Trainers,
Whalmer.
City.
Lagay mo trainer dyan.
There's some pretty gold cards here. Look,
Yan. Lagay mo dito yung trainer.
Super Potion,
Trainer.
Cups Cover Knight,
Dito.
Versala Bolchov. If I get this and there's nothing, that means we could get
Wow.
an EX.
Oo, wala.
But this is kind of cool. It's cartoonized. EX.
And...
Oh!
Oh! Wow, wait. Oh, wow.
So you were correct. If we didn't open this, we wanted to get this.
Nice.
So I'm winning, right?
Mamoswine. Alright, wait lang.
I want to.
Wait.
Let's keep showing it to the viewers.
Okay. Kaya nga nandiyan sa... Okay, ako na. Excuse. Ako na.
Looks like I'm winning.
My turn. Kanina ka pa sa kukira siya.
Yeah. And also the dating Pokemon.
Ako ay akong sirain
Like
kasi
Pokemon Go, I keep beating you.
ginagamit ko siya for storage. So, code card. Okay.
Go.
Wingull. Swinub. Shelmet. Sheldon. Articuno. Foswick. Clauf.
Just say crab.
Miniso. Mincino. Mincino. Saan to?
Coffin.
Coffin and
I'm winning.
Tyranitar Reversalo.
Looks like I'm winning.
Your turn.
I'm winning.
If you win, I still win. Ang hirap maghanap ng Pokemon packs. Mimiso, 7-Eleven, Toy R Us, Toy Kingdom. Luckily, kanina nagkaroon kami ng chance may restock pala. So,
Oh, come on. I
sige
keep
lang.
breaking it.
It's okay. So, buti na lang at naka-open tayo ulit after a long time. Very long time.
Billionaire or Nor? Is this a black belt? Like Taekwondo?
Maybe.
Bear.
Pancham.
Panda.
Pancham.
Panda.
Oy, ito. Reversal.
Nishi.
Regular.
Nishi. Petil.
Dito. Green.
Racing. Evolution. Yeah, we got it. Ruffian.
Oh, dito.
Hey.
Evolution.
Evolution.
Sige.
Uy, reverse
Bago yan.
shadow.
Wala tayong ganyan dito. Wala na naman. Ay, dito green. Okay.
Guess the energy. Dark. At least we got something very
Okay,
good.
last pack magic. Grabe. Sa 1,000 plus na to, dito lang magkakatalo. Ang hirap, dati mura-mura ng Pokemon eh. Parang wala pa yatang 200 dun.
Like 99 pesos.
No. 100 plus. I don't remember the exact price but hindi siya umabot ng oops. Ano nangyari? Ngayon ang mahal-mahal na. Tapos pag bibili ka pa sa reseller or ano, grabe. Ay, sayang. Ano
Watch,
nangyari?
look at the mirror.
Excuse.
Good look.
Excuse. Okay.
Coffin.
Coffee na naman. Super. Super. Hops. Corvisquer. Ano daw? Siglipi. Reggie Ice. Caramorant. Octiller. Reversado Paras and wala na. Santa Cobra and man.
Ha! I won.
So out of the 4 packs na nakuha natin, only
We got-
one hit.
But it's kind of good.
Sa one hit wonder.
It's kind of good, right?
One hit wonder.
kinda
Wala yata
good.
fire, no? Wala tayo na bunot na fire.
Oh yeah, look.
Anyway, that's it. 4 packs. Kakabili
At
lang
least
natin
it's not a
kanina.
normal EX. At least it's a EX full art.
Kakabili lang natin kanina.
We
Isa
shouldn't.
lang.
We shouldn't just bought one. We shouldn't just open one card.
Yun lang. Anyway, that's it for today.
I want to keep looking.
Hindi ko na alam kung paano. Hindi. I-video na lang natin habang nilalagay natin to. Okay. Sige. Let's raise it up. Raise it up para hindi mahirap mag-ano.
It's 2 silver stars.
Okay. Ito ang ating binder.
We're gonna add some cards today.
We're going to add some cards today. Okay. Okay na. Green. Give me all the green. Give me all the green. All the green one. Okay.
I'm gonna
Okay.
put this.
Paras. Versalo. 12. 11, 12. Oh. Ay, hindi, meron na.
I'll put
Ah,
the
ito
hit
kailangan.
behind.
Wait
I'll
lang po.
put the hit behind.
Number 6, meron na. Okay. Next is fire, wala no?
No.
Water. Meron na. Articuno, meron na. 42, 38, 40. Reggie Ice, meron na. Mingle, meron na. Walmer, meron na. Electric. Grabe, parang yun lang. Walang nadagdag na ano. Walang nadagdag na common na ano. Parang walang nadagdag. Reversalo lang. Electric. Voltorb, okay. Puro reversalo na nadagdag natin. Ito, 55. 54. O yun, nadagdagan din. 55. Psychic.
Psychic type.
Kita na. Lahat to psychic.
Yeah.
64, meron na.
No.
Ito, ano to? 59. 50, oh, ito 59. Nice. 74. Oh my, meron na. Fighting. Dami natin ano. Fighting please. Dandan. Meron na. Silcobra, meron na. Meron na. 77, meron na. 82. Okay. Yung ano, yung hit natin.
It's
Sorry,
174.
hindi dito yan. Dark. Coffee. 91. 93, 91. Yun. Coffee, meron. Meron na to. Meron na rin. Meron na rin. 95. 93, 94, 95. 96, 97. Metal. Ito yung isa lang yung metal dyan.
Wait, is that white?
134.
No, wait, look.
Ano yung metal? Yan.
Wait,
Meron
the
na.
third evolution is like that?
Fairy. Ito, bago to. 113, yes. Light. Light, ano ba? Light, white, colorless, bala na. 138 dito. 126, meron na. 125, meron na, pero reverse halo, yun. And the 34.
All of these are all trainers now.
Ano 38. Nyak, meron na rin. Okay, trainers, akin yung trainers. Meron na 43, 44. 42, 43, 44. Tapos 55, 50, meron na rin. 58, 54, 52, meron na rin.
Wait, this is kinda
Wait lang.
OP.
57, 58, tapos 57. Dami pang kulang. Ano yan? Number ano? Ano?
The attack of Rumbling Barge is kinda OP. Look.
76, 75, 74.
Look, Daddy, look at the attacks. It's kinda OP.
Wait lang po So, 2 hits lang, no? Ilagay natin to sa
But they're full arts. EX full arts. It is better than what we got in Less Than Rivals when we opened our first war booster. Only EX. Regular.
Yun lang, no? Yun lang nakuha natin. Parang
At least it's a EX full art, not a regular EX.
after natin mag-hunt ng mag-hunt, yun lang.
But they're one of the best cards, right? Salamon EX.
Okay, so yan lang namin nakuha.
No
Konting
regular
recap
EX.
lang. So ayun, no? So, eto, meron pala. Meron tayong, ang ginagaya kasi natin, serial breaking 8, maggawa ng master set ng binder. So may promo siya, kaso wala naman tayo mabiling mga ano. So ano lang available sa market at SRP at retail. Yun lang.
These
Ayaw
cards are
namin-
kinda OP. Look at the damage. 360.
Ayaw kong bumili ng ano
Skip a page.
overpriced na ano. Kunin natin yung mga Reversalo pa ba? Reversalo. Tapos mga rare. Sa bulk, pwede benta yung rare na mas mahal. Uncommon, common, common, uncommon, uncommon, common, uncommon, common, uncommon, common, 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 uncommon, 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 common, common. Okay.
No, sir. Lots of duplicates.
Hindi naman natin maano yan. Ilagay na lang natin dito yung mga yan.
Hey, legendary bird.
Excuse.
I just want to get the energy.
Uy. Yung common siguro okay na yan. Hindi, lagyan na rin natin. Sayang din. May special pa naman eh. Tanggalin na lang natin pag sumobra tayo ng ano. Pag nakakuha tayo ng mas maraming hits. Kaso, ang question, kailan pa ulit magkakaroon ng
Restock.
restock? Ang hirap malaman eh. Kasi di rin nila alam, bigla na lang daw dumadating eh. Ito pa pala, akin na iba.
I want to be the one.
Sige. Anyway, I'm Michael.
And
Thank you for watching.